Wait,
see what this girl do.
Wait, stand up. What's happened?
See, this thing the best me.
What's happened
like,
now?
It's a matter of life and death, understand?
What is the problem?
See what you like this girl, understand? Me and she will get that day. So I don't knock and finish, pay her my money. That I just knock and come, understand? I can't relax. She can't remove condom from my bola. Understand? Me, I think say she can't remove and enter this thing. Enter toilet. I think say she don't go flush her. As I did like that, she come over. This girl will remove my condom like this. Okay, all the girl. Now I don't go, now I go to toilet. As I go to toilet, no see, even the pee where I pee for the toilet still dead.
As in incomod condom from your...
from my brother now. Yes.
Okay, what's happening now?
So I come meet and say, after I wear the condom, you know that I can't rush come outside because she don't already go. I come meet her from the road like this. I come outside, where you keep the condom? She tell me that she don't know you. I don't get what you're saying.
He's lying. I flushed it. I flushed the condom.
Let me check your bag.
No, you can't check my bag. You can't.
Why?
You can't check my bag. For what?
Okay, wait. If he say you come out condom from him, say you flush the condom, allow him to check the bag.
No, he can't check my bag.
Are you joking with my life?
You are joking with yourself.
Hello. What's your motive here now?
No, the truth is, allow him to check his bag.
He's not checking my bag. You can't check my bag. You can't check my bag.
I paid you, right?
You can't.
I paid you, right?
I'm telling you, you can't check my bag.
I paid you.
You paid me.
Yes, now.
Yes. So I did not use
Video
your
this
condom.
video. Okay, wait.
Check the bag. I need to check the bag.
You can't. He will not check my bag.
Wait, now let him
I don't need you to check my bag. You can't check my bag.
Wait.
He can't check my bag. His belongings are not here. No, he will not touch my bag.
Okay, what happened? You, from your
Okay,
side.
fine. Me and him, normally we did short time together. So he paid me.
You be a shower?
Yes, I be a shower. Now what I dey do? So now, you can't. Don't touch my bag. You can't.
Talk now. So you do it, you come out with it.
Yes, okay, fine. After we finish what we did together, I happened to remove his condom. Do you understand me? So from there, I walked to the bathroom. Then I flushed it.
There's no water in my house.
The guy saying water.
No, wait. You don't even have that right to remove this from him. Yes, you should remove it by yourself.
That's how he asked me to remove it from him.
You are lying.
He asked me to help him. You can't search my
But the
bag.
guy say he doesn't have water in the house.
Yes.
How did you flush the condom?
Okay.
Allow him to check.
Okay, fine. You should check my bag, right? You can't.
Why?
I won't give you my bag.
Okay, just give it to me.
So you are joking. Nobody's going to check.
Okay, let me check.
You can't.
Let me check. Okay, you check it by yourself. Check it by yourself.
When you were doing it, no, you paid me.
No, let him video.
Nobody's checking my
No, let him video.
Why don't you let another person check?
My bag
Go and show that woman. Go and show another person.
Can I check?
Show another woman.
Let me check.
Why do you
Before
want
you
to go
check
home
my
with someone like
bag,
that?
Are you joking with my life?
I'm joking with your life. When you were doing it, did you ask me if I'm joking with your life? Did you?
Let me just check your
Sister,
bag.
this is very simple.
Please, sir. Please.
You remove my
Please, with
condom.
all due respect, please respect
Water
yourself.
in the house to flush. Then you carried it.
Respect yourself.
Bring it.
Let me take this back. Nobody's touching my bag. Nobody's touching my
Collect
bag.
from this bag.
No, nobody's touching my
Guys, let
bag.
him this back.
Give me my bag. Give me my bag.
Give me your bag, waiting.
Jesus!
This gonna kill her. This gonna kill her.
Relax, calm down. Relax first, bro. Calm down.
Baba, all I say, I said dress.
I said relax. I'm trying to relax. No worry, guys. Relax now. Baba, relax first. Relax.
Why are you like this, my young woman? Why are you like this?
Relax.
Where you come?
Baba, relax now.
Calm down.
Let me bring the issue now. Relax. Please calm down first.
Oh, yeah,
You don't get right to slap her. You don't get right. I say you don't get right.
come. When do they do all the condom?
Jesus Christ.
You know what should happen here? So
Baba, relax now. Relax. We dey try to arrange this thing.
come.
Calm down now.
Oh, yeah, what do they do all these things?
The bag. This oxygen is
Baba, see your another one. Collect all this one.
Baba, collect.
Come. Oh, yeah, come explain. Oh boy, this is about you take it like a brother and you then you like say you don't come this place
for me I don't kill you for you.
What you do?
When you come, I said
You know say for me I don't kill you for you.
Okay. I don't want. Oh yeah, come explain. What did they do all this thing?
Come. I don't want them to handle this way. Relax, calm down. Come. What do you do with all this?
You pet this talk and
Baba, relax now.
See,
Baba, calm down.
Shabi, you made
Jesus. Baba, relax now. You see, you cannot do it this way. You understand? No. You don't have the right. Let's find out first. You don't act like this guy. A petty guy, man. I'm not petty.
Not a pet
I'm not petty.
When you do